Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I just love cooking something that utilizes, a secret ingredient or such. Well, today I'm gonna make a roast and it does have an unusual secret ingredient. And this is a real recipe. It's a roast that uses Gingersnap cookies. I gotta try it. I'm gonna start by cutting a couple sweet potatoes. Chop them. I'm trying out this new slow cooker liner to see how it works. I'm gonna add in my sweet potatoes. I'm gonna add some carrots too. Grab your roast meat and I'm gonna sear it on all sides. Have to sear all sides to keep in all the juices. Put it in the crock pot. Juicy. Time to make the roast cooking sauce. I'm going to use about a cup of beef broth. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. A tiny shake of red pepper flakes. I've got my Gingersnaps cookie. Time to give them a good crush. Add them in your sauce and mix them in. Pour on that sauce, and then we're going to cook it in here for about 5 to 6 hours. It has cooked. That looks divine. Gingersnap roast. I haven't had a roast in the longest time. It is wonderful. I definitely noticed some sweetness in there. It's kind of like a pumpkin spice, a little bit. Roast. I love it. And you could make this too. Where do bad rainbows go? Prism. It's just a light sentence.